Step 1. Layer boughs and tie together with floral wire. Trim boughs if needed. Step 2. Attach pinnacones with floral wire to top of boughs. Step 3. Attach berry spray. Push through original floral wire to secure tightly. Step 4. Attach decorative branches. Push through original floral wire to secure tightly. Trim branches if needed. Step 5. Attach bough with floral wire to base of boughs. Pre-made boughs sold in store. Complete. Share with us online.